Hello everyone, in this video I would be showing you how to draw the development of the square tree. Let us start by drawing the XY line. In case you draw the line, say I wanted to draw the XY line but I had selected the visible line. In case you want to convert it into XY line, just select the line and click on the XY line, it gets converted to the XY line itself. Okay, now X and Y. Fine. We would name the VP and HP, that is vertical and the horizontal planes. Now let us draw the rectangle or use the rectangle in order to draw the square. For this we would be using the visible line. Okay. The width is 80 mm and height is also 80 mm. So yes. So once we are done with it, let us move the XY line a bit. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now let us draw the projections using the projection line. Okay. Yes. So once we are done with it, 80 mm is the dimension of the base. That is, it is of 80 mm and 80 mm. But that is length and breadth are 80 mm, but height of the square tray is said to be 20 mm. So therefore, I select the visible line. From here, I take the 20 mm length. Okay, place it, and again till here. So this is how the square tray would look in the horizontal plane and the vertical plane. Okay, let us confirm the dimensions. It should be 80, this should be 20, this should be 80 as well. Okay, so once we are done with it, now let us draw the actual development which would be drawn on the sheet metal, which is later bent in the suitable positions, and later the following square tray is obtained. Okay, now since 80 mm and 80 mm are the length and breadth, and you are drawing and you want the 20 mm side on each side, you would be taking the length to be 120 mm cross 120 mm. Okay, so let us draw a rectangle of 120 mm initially. Okay, let us draw a square of 120 mm length and 120 mm breadth. Okay. Yes. So this is the 120 mm cross 120 mm square. Okay. In this, we want the length and breadth of the square tray to be 80 mm. That means from each side 20 mm should be cut. For that, let us use the arc by center point. From this point, take 20 as the arc. Put it here. From this point, 20. Okay. So again from this point, you take 20 mm of radius. And from here it would be 20 mm again. It goes same here as well. Okay. Yes. So once we are done with it, now let us join. Now let us just draw the lines. Okay. Let us use the visible line for it as well. From this point to this point. Okay. From this point to this point as well. And from this point to this point. Now let us remove these arcs because we have the points now and the arcs aren't useful anymore. Fine. Once we are done with it, now what we need to do is we need to draw the diagonals for all these squares, that is these corner squares, whatever are formed. We need to draw the diagonals for them. Okay. Yes. So once we are done with it, now let us draw the. Here exactly we do not do the seaming, but on the edges, in order to avoid the sharp edges, we would take a 5 mm of the material and fold it using the nose plier so that the sharp edges can be avoided. So and let us use a visible line as well of length 5 mm. Okay. Here again it is 5 mm of length. 5 mm length. Okay. So once we are done with it, now let us shade the portions whatever we would be cutting. This portion would be cut, this portion would be cut, and this as well. So the shaded portion of the square would be cut, and this portion would be folded so that it would have a better accuracy or say. Now let us check the dimensions first. Yeah, this is 120, this is 120, this and this should be 80. This is the 5 mm allowance, whatever, or rather than allowance, it is like saying in order to avoid any in order to avoid the sharp edges, we would be having this. So this is how the development of the square tray would look like and this drawn on the metal sheet and suitable materials are cut, and on suitable bending we would get a square tray. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have liked the video. Then don't forget to give a thumbs up for the video and share it with your friends so that they would gain the knowledge, channel gains its popularity. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you.